How to set work profile on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can set work profile on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up settings in your device, scroll down and tap on Google. After that, under your profile, tap on all services. Here, scroll down and keep on scrolling until you see an option as set up your work profile. There it is under device policy, tap on it. Now tap on next. Here it says to finish setup, you will need a code from your IT admin. A management tool will download and used by your IT admin to manage your work profile. Here tap on next. After that, you have to either scan a QR code that is provided by your IT admin, or if you don't have the QR, you can simply enter the code manually. Tap on enter code manually, and here now you have to enter the code from your IT admin. Once done, tap on next. After that, your work profile will be set in your device, and that's how you can set a work profile on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.